Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the position of your dock on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Dock and Menu Bar. Here in Dock Settings, there is a setting called Position on Screen. You can choose from left, bottom and right. This will move the dock to the area that you selected here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.